For millions of years, humans lived as hunter-gatherers. Small groups roamed the land, following the seasons and the animals they hunted. They gathered wild plants for food. Life was uncertain. Food was not always easy to find. People moved constantly to survive. These early humans lived in balance with nature. Their impact on the environment was small. Their populations remained relatively stable. They lived in small, nomadic groups. This lifestyle limited their material possessions and social structures. These groups developed complex knowledge of the natural world. They knew the best hunting grounds and the seasons for gathering plants. They used this knowledge to survive in diverse environments. Their nomadic way of life fostered cooperation and sharing within groups. This way of life, while challenging, was successful for a very long time. It shaped human evolution and our place in the world. It was not until about 10,000 years ago that a revolution occurred, changing human history forever. The Neolithic Revolution marked a turning point in human history. Around 10,000 BCE, humans began to cultivate plants and domesticate animals. This shift from hunting and gathering to farming had a profound impact on human societies. This revolution did not happen overnight. It occurred gradually in different parts of the world. People began to experiment with planting seeds and raising animals. This led to the development of agriculture. Agriculture brought about a new way of life. People could now grow their own food. This led to food surpluses. These surpluses allowed populations to grow. They no longer had to move constantly in search of food. The Neolithic Revolution was a significant turning point. It led to the development of villages and later cities. This period marked the beginning of civilization as we know it. With a surplus of food, humans no longer needed to be constantly on the move. They started to settle in one place, building permanent homes and villages. This change had a significant impact on human social structures and interactions. As villages grew, so did the need for specialized skills. People began to specialize in different tasks, such as farming, pottery making, or tool making. This division of labor led to greater efficiency and the development of new technologies. This period saw the rise of social hierarchies. Leaders emerged to manage resources and organize communities. Power structures developed, laying the foundation for more complex social organizations and the emergence of early forms of government. The development of agriculture and permanent settlements led to the rise of civilization. It brought about significant changes in human society, shaping our world in profound ways. The shift from hunting and gathering to farming brought about significant advantages. However, it also introduced new challenges. One of the most significant was the increased risk of disease. Living in close proximity to animals and other humans created ideal conditions for diseases to spread. Waste disposal became a problem in densely populated areas, further contributing to the spread of illness. The domestication of animals, while beneficial for food production, also introduced new diseases. Animals could transmit diseases to humans, a phenomenon known as zoonosis. These zoonotic diseases would have devastating consequences throughout history. The rise of agriculture and civilization, while a period of immense progress, also marked the beginning of our vulnerability to infectious diseases. This vulnerability continues to this day, reminding us of the complex trade-offs that come with progress. History is replete with examples of devastating pandemics that originated from animals. These pandemics highlight the interconnectedness of human and animal health and the potential consequences of disrupting ecological balances. One of the earliest and most well-known examples is the Black Death, which ravaged Europe and Asia in the 14th century. This devastating plague, believed to have originated from fleas on rodents, killed millions and had a profound impact on human civilization. Another example is smallpox, a deadly viral disease that plagued humanity for centuries. Smallpox is believed to have originated from domesticated animals and was responsible for countless deaths and widespread suffering before its eradication in the 20th century. These historical pandemics serve as stark reminders of the interconnectedness of human, animal, and environmental health. They highlight the potential for animal diseases to cross species boundaries and wreak havoc on human populations. The threat of zoonotic diseases is not confined to the past. Even today, we continue to grapple with the emergence and spread of diseases that originate from animals. These modern-day outbreaks highlight the ongoing relevance of historical lessons about human-animal interactions. The COVID-19 pandemic, which began in 2019, is a stark reminder of the potential for animal viruses to jump to humans and cause global pandemics. The virus, believed to have originated in bats, spread rapidly around the world, causing widespread illness, death, and economic disruption. The emergence of zoonotic diseases is often linked to human activities that bring us into closer contact with wildlife. Deforestation, habitat fragmentation, and the wildlife trade all increase the risk of spillover events where viruses jump from animals to humans. Understanding the historical context of zoonotic diseases is crucial for addressing modern-day outbreaks. By studying past pandemics and the factors that contributed to them, we can better prepare for and mitigate future threats. The transition from hunter-gatherer societies to farming communities and the subsequent rise of civilization is a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability. However, this progress has come at a cost. While agriculture brought about food security, settled life, and technological advancements, it also made us vulnerable to new diseases. The close proximity to animals and humans, coupled with increased population densities, created ideal conditions for diseases to spread. The historical lessons of pandemics like the Black Death and the ongoing challenge of zoonotic diseases like COVID-19 serve as stark reminders of the interconnectedness of human, animal, and environmental health. As we continue to shape the world around us, it is essential to consider the potential consequences of our actions. Balancing progress with ecological responsibility is crucial for the long-term health and well-being of both humanity and the planet we inhabit.